Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. This video is to celebrate 1 year of Mechanical Malarkey on YouTube. I started the blog almost 5 years ago, but last year was when I started doing video. It's been a good year and I've had a lot of fun making videos. I have a lot of good ideas for this next year too. So as of the 1 year mark of this channel, I have 94 subscribers and a little over 4,600 views. That may feel like not very much compared to some channels, but that's a lot of people that have watched my videos, so that's pretty cool. I've been learning a lot about making videos, and I think my videos are only getting better, and they'll only continue to get better. So thank you to everybody that's followed me, everybody that's subscribed, everybody that's commented, everybody that's watched. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. There's going to be a lot more videos coming out. A lot of videos are vehicle specific, but I'm trying to make them as accessible to anyone for whatever vehicle you're working on. If you've never been to mechanicalmalarkey.com, I highly recommend you do so. I put out blog posts once or twice a week with pictures and stories of stuff I find while working on cars at the shop. And if you want even more stuff to look at, I always post pictures on weekdays on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just search for Mechanical Malarkey. My Instagram is somewhere over 1,300 followers, so thank you to everyone who follows me there. And the views on the blog have just been growing and growing this year, which is really cool. I've been getting so many more views than I ever have before. So thank you to everybody. I hope you like the videos. Thank you all for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and reading the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.